Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Wednesday, September 27th, 2010 a.m. My dear son, you must make arrangements to elevate your work. You should look after yourself. Listen to us. The mission is going through trying times in certain areas of the world. That should not affect you too much. There is nothing more you can do. We know that, and that is what counts. Our way is destined to a very favorable future. Its course must proceed. It cannot stand out at a larger scale without any fractures. This is unavoidable. We watch over you with greatest attention, and we cannot be closer to you. All those who love you here applaud the results of your work. You devote yourself heart and soul limitlessly, and our blessings accompany you. When you will come to rejoin me on the celestial fields, we will embark on another fight. We will move forward together as master and disciple, united for eternity, vibrant with love in divine light. We will make good progress without my dampening your activities down. Stripped of that flesh body which needs to be taken care of, you will be able to give all your best. May this message comfort you, my son. So is our wish, Babuji. Thursday, September 20th, 2010 a.m. The medium says, Babuji, yesterday you have alluded to the work that falls to you in your world. Why do you want me to address this topic? There are not many details to give. We distribute the tasks among ourselves and work is endless, which is not likely to reassure your fellow men. Our action is geared towards mankind and other worlds beyond your comprehension. You can only pray to accompany us in our action. That's all to be said on the issue. You have enough to do on this earth for yourself and for the others. Therefore, you should remain well focused on your own action and all that you can possibly do around you. The medium says, forgive me for this, Babuji. Question. We know that it is not out of curiosity on your part, but a token of your interest in our life where we are. There is a time for everything. When you have left this earth, you will have to follow another path that will lead you to your true destination. You will then be able to measure the extent of the capabilities with regard to service, and you will be guided according to your aptitudes to use them as well as possible. This will not happen tomorrow. Keep well your foothold in the world where you are. You have not finished your work. Are you satisfied? Babuji.